morning, afternoon, evening, midnight, wherever you are, man. Hope you're doing good. When you see this blank canvas, you know it's the Blitzland o'clock, man. Understanding our best traders, man. As you can hear in my voice, man, I'm excited. I'm excited because this guy I'm analyzing, he's a genius in the market. He's a genius in the marketing. He did a stunt or a move the last time I saw him, and I discovered this guy is a genius in this stuff. He makes profits, man. His trading strategy is kind of close to mine because he does weekly swings, and that's my sweet spot. And I'm talking none other but Alex T, the founder and the creator of Set and Forget, the guy that makes history in the internet, man. I won't lie. This guy motivates me. So we are not going to waste time. We are not going to waste time. When you see me doing this, you know what the path is all about, okay? Alright. Okay. You know what time it is, man. You know what time it is, man. Okay. You know what time it is, man. Right. So I have come to realize actually Alex D trades the high highs and high lows. Remember I said I'm a very big fan of him. So I've been following his information for so long, man. So first of all, when it comes to trading, his trading strategy is very, very easy. Okay, just to know the highest point. All right. So let's go trade line. Highest point. Oh, where is it? The highest point is this one. So there we go. The highest point that will be there. Okay, and the lowest point of the trend. Always remember the trend is your friend. Always remember that. Never forget that the trend is your friend. So there we go. Okay, there we go. So that is the base. I've heard him calling it the base and the highest point of the market. So when it comes to this, they might not be perfect, but we will try to make them as perfect as possible. All right. So okay, so there we go. Something of the sort. Okay, where's the rest? Okay, so this is a little bit better, but let's focus on the bullish side alone. Okay, so what he does, he marks these levels. I have analyzed another trader that does that. So this is the low. Okay, so we're focusing on the bullish side alone. We don't want to focus on everything. Remember, he is a very good teacher. If you want to learn forex, please follow that guy. I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. He is the best teacher I have seen, man. He teaches as if he's teaching toddlers, step by step. So if you want to learn forex, bro, go find Alex T, man. People try to trash his name, but I won't lie, he's one of the best traders I have seen when it comes to teaching and everything. Okay. So that's why I'm analyzing his strategy. So as you know, this is so when it comes to bullish side, we already have the high highs and the high lows. So it's a matter of identifying. So this is a high low. Okay, if I'm a little bit fast, it's because I have analyzed this trader strategy so many times that now I'm learning so many things. So this other one is high highs. That's it. Okay. So those are the high highs, high lows. Okay. Clone. Okay. So this is here. What did I do? Where's the paste? Copy. Oh. Nice. Where you are. Come here. So this is a high. Okay, this one another clone. So this is a high low. Okay. Clone. Okay, high. Alright, so clone there you go. So this is a bullish momentum before the market reaches its highest point and changes the direction. So as you can see, we have high. This is a high. What have I written here? It's a mistake, so don't worry, we can fix that with a matter of clicking. So high, low. So this is his trading strategy. Simple, clear, no much complications. High highs, high lows, high levels. So when we go to that, we have these levels. Mostly I hear him calling them supports, and resistance, but he has called them lines in the current video that I have watched. So this is where he gets his entry. So it's either this one. Okay, so these levels are there to help him understand the market, and remember, he follows the direction of the market. So I have identified a good setup. Okay, a good setup to analyze with you. So right, so this, as you can see, this is a bearish movement. Okay, this is a bearish movement. It's forming lower lows and lower highs. So always remember, the opposite of high highs and high lows is lower highs and lower lows. Okay, always remember that. Never forget that. Right, always remember that. Where's the delete option? There we go. So this is what we're going to identify. So his trading strategy, he begins analyzing the whole market at a weekly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame. Remember, he does swing trades, so it's a weekly time frame. And as you can see, he identifies the highs and the lows and the overall trend of the market. For example, he'll find this area and determine this is a bearish movement. He'll find this area and determine it's a bullish movement. That's why I'm saying go to his page, man. He is giving wisdom and knowledge that we require in trading. So after weekly, it goes to daily and to 4 hours and 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's the smallest time frame I have had to talk about. So for example, this is what I'm talking about. This is a very good setup. So we have so many options. We have this one, we have this one. This is a bearish one, this is a bullish. As you can see, the market has reached its highest point and has decided to turn. But here, this is a continuation of a bullish momentum. So we can analyze it. This is the beauty of understanding a strategy from a trader. So initially I wanted to analyze this one, but why not change? Let's analyze this one. So he will identify the start of the trend. So this is the start. Okay, and his marking will be inside the body of the candlestick. It's not like me. For me, identify, I look at the wicks, but for him he looks at the body. So this is the market. Okay, and he'll identify this is the high low, or this is the beginning. So you will identify the formation of something here, like a high. Okay, so this is the level, the next level. Okay, there you go. There you go. As you can see, remember the body. I'm doing this because of this, or because let's go where the trend is beginning very well. So for him, this is where he will identify the trend and mark those levels. Remember, we are in a bullish what? We are in a bullish movement, so he won't be analyzing anything bearish. So it's identifying the trend, the highs and the lows. Okay, so this is where his entries will go, and he will go to a lower time frame. Don't forget that this is a 4 hour. We don't want to make this video too long. We want it to be consumer friendly. Okay, consumer friendly. Where are our markings? There they are. You can see them. There they go. There they are. Okay. So when you come to a lower time frame, now you can see the setup very well. Okay, very well. So you can see this is the levels he's talking about. You you can see, the candlestick are inclusive here too. Okay, we are not marking above the candlesticks. So as you can see, this formation of another. So this, the market is ranging within the zones and the trade. So when this one is broken, don't forget the body. Okay, that will be another trend until he finds where the trade changes. So we're going to focus on a little bit small things. We won't focus on so many things. So what you'll do, you'll come to these time frames. For me, I have been following him. That's why I'm not even stressed about analyzing his trading strategy, because I know most of the time he does this. So this along, you will come and buy here. Okay. All right. So remember, he's a swing trader, and he'll target there. Okay. And something interesting he does is sometimes he targets the break of a neckline. You see this neckline? This neckline gives him a full confirmation of the market is go. So for example, this is the neckline here. Okay, this is the neckline here. Okay, previous levels that were being respected. So this is the neckline. You can see he will wait for the break of the neckline, and he will take his setup there. So this is a single, this one setup he can take at the levels of the high of, for example, this is a high, this is a higher low. So he will take what, a buy within this zone. So when it comes to this one, he can wait for the break of the neckline. Okay, there you go, break of the neckline. Okay, that would be a very good setup, break of the neckline, and continue. Okay, so that's it when it comes to his trading strategy. It entails a lot. I'm just covering the basics. As you know, I don't cover the whole setup because I want you to go and support them, because they are best traders that I know. So please go to his page, like, follow, subscribe, and learn, man. Actually, if you're beginning this thing, he's the best mentor to have, man. So for now, I'm out. See you in the next video.